The national song of India is A. Vande Mataram, B. Jana Gana Mana, C. सारे जहां से अच्छा, D. ए मेरे वतन के लोगों. The correct answer is option A. Vande Mataram. Who discovered the law of gravitation? A. Galileo, B. Newton, C. Einstein, D. Kepler. The correct answer is option B. Newton. The world's longest river is A. Ganga, B. Nile, C. Amazon, D. Yangtze. The correct answer is option B. Nile. Which planet has rings around it? A. Saturn, B. Neptune, C. Uranus, D. Jupiter. The correct answer is option A. Saturn. The International Yoga Day is celebrated on A. 21st June, B. 1st July, C. 15th August, D. 2nd October. The correct answer is option A. 21st June. Who wrote the national anthem of India? A. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Iqbal, D. Subramanya Bharati. The correct answer is option B. Rabindranath Tagore. Which country is known as the land of rising sun? A. China, B. Japan, C. Korea, D. Thailand. The correct answer is option B. Japan. The capital of Australia is A. Sydney, B. Melbourne, C. Canberra, D. Perth. The correct answer is option C. Canberra. The world's fastest land animal is A. Tiger, B. Lion, C. Cheetah, D. Leopard. The correct answer is option C. Cheetah. First Indian woman to go to space. A. Kalpana Chawla, B. Sunita Williams, C. Indira Gandhi, D. Tessie Thomas. The correct answer is option A. Kalpana Chawla. The highest civilian award of India is A. Padma Shri, B. Bharat Ratna, C. Padma Vibhushan, D. Gallantry Award. The correct answer is option B. Bharat Ratna. Who was the first man to step on the moon? A. Yuri Gagarin, B. Neil Armstrong, C. Buzz Aldrin, D. Michael Collins. The correct answer is option B. Neil Armstrong. The national animal of India is A. Elephant, B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Peacock. The correct answer is option B. Tiger. The first Indian to win Nobel Prize was A. Rabindranath Tagore, B. C.V. Raman, C. Amartya Sen, D. Hargobind Khurana. The correct answer is option A. Rabindranath Tagore. Who is called the Iron Man of India? A. Bhagat Singh, B. Sardar Patel, C. Subhash Chandra Bose, D. Lal Bahadur Shastri. The correct answer is option B. Sardar Patel. Who is known as the Missile Man of India? A. Homi Bhabha, B. APJ Abdul Kalam, C. Vikram Sarabhai, D. Satish Dhawan. The correct answer is option B. APJ Abdul Kalam. Which is the largest planet in our solar system? A. Earth, B. Saturn, C. Jupiter, D. Neptune. The correct answer is option C. Jupiter. The first Prime Minister of India was A. Mahatma Gandhi, B. Sardar Patel, C. Jawaharlal Nehru, D. Rajendra Prasad. The correct answer is option C. Jawaharlal Nehru. The national flower of India is A. Rose, B. Sunflower, C. Lotus, D. Jasmine. The correct answer is option C. Lotus. Which gas is essential for breathing? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Hydrogen. The correct answer is option C. Oxygen. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Sarojini Naidu, C. Sonia Gandhi, D. Sucheta Kriplani. The correct answer is option A. Indira Gandhi. Which is the smallest continent? A. Asia, B. Africa, C. Europe, D. Australia. The correct answer is option D. Australia. The currency of Japan is A. Yen, B. Won, C. Dollar, D. Peso. The correct answer is option A. Yen. Which is called the Pink City of India? A. Delhi, B. Jaipur, C. Jodhpur, D. Udaipur. The correct answer is option B. Jaipur. The father of the nation India is A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. Mahatma Gandhi, C. Bal Gangadhar Tilak, D. Bhagat Singh. The correct answer is option B. Mahatma Gandhi. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Venus, B. Mars, C. Jupiter, D. Mercury. The correct answer is option B. Mars. Who was the first president of India? A. Rajendra Prasad, B. Radhakrishnan, C. Zakir Hussain, D. Neelam Sanjeeva Reddy. The correct answer is option A. Rajendra Prasad. The Indian national flag was designed by A. Pingali Venkaiah, B. Rabindranath Tagore, C. Bankim Chandra Chatterjee, D. Annie Besant. The correct answer is option A. Pingali Venkaiah. Which organ purifies blood in the human body? A. Heart, B. Lungs, C. Kidneys, D. Liver. The correct answer is option C. Kidneys. World Environment Day is celebrated on A. 5th June, B. 22nd April, C. 4th May, D. 14th November. The correct answer is option A. 5th June.